This year's iPhone 17 Pro models will have a major redesign, specifically centering around changes to the rear camera module. Apple will move away from the familiar square camera bump to a distinctive aluminum camera bar that spans the device's width. We have the iPhone 17 Pro Max, the iPhone 17 Pro, the iPhone 17 Air, and the iPhone 17. The new color options available for the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, iPhone 17 Pro. iPhone 17 Pro will be offered in 4 colors: black, dark blue, silver, and orange. The iPhone 17 Pro models will reportedly feature a repositioned Apple logo police car light. The logo will now be positioned on the center bottom. Apple's next MagSafe charger might bring 45W speeds and Qi 2.2 support. The iPhone 17 Pro Max will finally be the first iPhone to reach 5,000 mAh battery. Apple's iPhone 17 lineup will come with 12GB RAM, the iPhone 17 series to get TSMC's next generation 2nm chips, Apple's A19 chip technology. With the iPhone 17 Pro models expected to have entirely 48-megapixel rear cameras, there is a good chance that 8K video recording will debut on those devices. The iPhone 17 lineup will feature a 24-megapixel front-facing camera with a 6-element lens. All of these devices should be making their official debut in September. Apple is reportedly planning to bring all its devices back to aluminum with the iPhone 17 lineup. The 2 flagship iPhone 17 Pro models will mark the return of aluminum frames to high-end iPhones for the first time since Apple began distinguishing between Pro and non-Pro models. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.